What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, turn motivation into millions, King Hussle reaction videos. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. So listen, please be more aware out there. Please, please, please. There's a lot of fake social media platforms out there impersonating me. I got a lot of fake IGs, Instagrams, Snapchats, Telegrams, YouTubes, you name it. So listen, if any King Hussle page writes you and say, "Yo, what's up? You looking to try to make some money? You trying to," that's not me. I'm not gonna write you trying to get you to spend some money with me. Point blank. Period. I don't write people. Everybody writes to me because how I promote and market my business. Second, I don't got 50, 60,000 followers on IG. Third, my IG is not King Hussle on YouTube. Fourth, be smart. My Telegram is not King Hussle or Hussle Nation, nothing. So if you're talking to a King Hussle Nation Telegram, that's not me. Fifth, if you comment on any of my videos, it's a fake YouTube. Telegram King Hussle X1. Telegram, the tail spell kind of weird or something like that. That's not me. And six, just get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody. That's the safest and smartest thing that you can do. If you're not sure if it's not me or not, if you're not talking to me on the King Hussle X1M 29,000 followers on my backup, which is in my bio on my official, which got 13, pushing 1,400 followers, that's not me. Point blank period. So make sure you're doing what you need to do. Make sure you subscribe and follow. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today I'm going to be giving and dropping another site, another place where you guys should be able to get you some money, get funding for your small businesses. And like I said, I'm going to be starting to speak about more business loans and business propositions and things you can do with your business and your business period, because a lot of people don't understand. You can leverage your business credit easier than your personal credit. With your personal credit, it's a lot more strict. It's a lot of more things that's going on, from the utilization rates and how much you can use and do this and do that. Vice versa, when you're using your business credit on the business side, utilization rate really doesn't matter. As long as you can pay that money back before or on time, that's all that matters. So you can get a $5 million loan and spend the whole $5 million as long as you pay it back by however the year's loan term is, then you're A-okay. So let's say you got a 5-year term and you get a $50,000 loan. You got 5 years to pay back that loan. You spend that whole $50,000 before that 5-year term, you still got 5 years to pay it back. And you pay it back on time or before, kudos to you. So I'm going to be starting to speak a lot more about business credit and how you guys can start leveraging your business credit, how you can start building your business credit and start to get the things like cars, cribs, loans, credit cards, lines of credit, things that you need to succeed. Credit cards for traveling, credit cards for everything. It's a credit card for everything out there. Gas, traveling, you name it, clothes. So I'm going to show you how to use other people's money, the bank's money, and become successful and become multimillionaires. So today we're going to be talking about BHG money, powered by BHG Financial. And basically they'll give you up from $20,000 to $500,000 in business loans for your small business startup loans, and for people who are starting up their business and need a little help and a little push. So today is going to be talking about BHG Financial. Let's get into it. All right, so BHG, powered by BHG Financial. Estimate your payment in under 30 seconds. Business loans for busy professionals. All right, so $20,000. How much money are you looking to borrow? So basically, you just tell them how much you're looking to borrow. Bada bing, bada boom. Continue. Estimating your payment won't affect your credit score. BHG Money offers business and consumers loan solutions below our features of our business loans. So how it works. So basically, you get started online or apply over the phone with no cost or commitment. Submit a minimal documentation and you'll be approved in as little as 24 hours. Review your terms and receive your funds via wire transfer in as few as 3 days. So, industry lending business loans futures, we provide the best in-class lending experience that will meet your needs and exceed your expectations. So, extended repayment terms up to 12 years. So, you can get a $50,000 loan and have up to 12 years to pay it back. You get a $500,000 loan. You get a $10,000 loan, $20,000 loan, and have up to 12 years to pay it back. Large loan amounts up to $500,000. Affordable low monthly payments. May be approved in little as 24 hours. Funding in little as 3 days. Premium service 7 days a week. No personal collateral required, so you don't got to put nothing up front. You ain't got to put nothing towards it. None of that. Won't affect your personal credit. How can you beat that? No collateral and won't affect your personal credit. And down here it just breaks down some terms of how it goes. This calculator is a 2 minutes to help you estimate monthly payment amounts based on the information you enter. The monthly payment provider is an estimate meant to illustrative purposes only. Your actual loan size, APR, loan term, and monthly payment amount may vary based on the individual's credit profile and other information provided in your loan application. Annual percentage rates, APRs for BHG money commercial loans range from 6.99 to 24.99 with terms from 3 to 12 years. All right, so BHG business loans typically range from $20,000 to $250,000. However, well-qualified borrowers may be eligible for business loans up to $500,000. This is not guaranteed offer of credit and subject to credit approval. So there is no impact to your credit for applying. A complete credit history, which will appear on the inquiry on your credit report, will be performed upon acceptance and funding on a loan. So, for example, a $94,695 commercial loan with a 9-year term and a APR of 14.8% will require monthly payments of $1,633. All right, so that's just a little estimate, estimate what's going on. So BHG, small business startup funds, no impact to your credit, no collateral needed. Go get you $20, $30, $40, $50,000. All right, so let's talk about it. I know a lot of people are going to be trying to get this loan just like everybody be trying to get the other loans. But please pay attention to me when I say this. Please have you an actual business, an actual LLC. Please have you your business structured and set up the right way. So make sure you got your LLC. You got a virtual address, because 9 times out of 10, you're not going to have a physical place to do a business, and you're not supposed to use your home address when you're using for your LLC. So if you got your home address down for your LLC, you already doing bad. Take that off, get you a virtual address. It looks way better. Boom. Never have your personal entity and your business entity connect. Your both addresses will make you connect. All right. So boom. Get you a virtual address. Get you a business number and get it registered with the 411 National Directory. Get you a business email. Get you a website. So when they go to check these things, you will have it and you'll look very professional and you'll be qualified to get a loan. Also, make sure you have bank statements and a business checking and savings account. Please make sure you also got your pay stubs together. Make sure you got your bank statements together. Make sure you got everything that you need before you go apply for this loan, and then you get the comment saying, oh, I got denied, I didn't get approved. Because like I said, 98% of y'all don't be having y'all business together. And it's cool. That's why I make these videos, so you can. But it's up to you to actually do what I'm telling you to do and make it happen. I can't hold your hand, or I can't tell you, oh, hey, get up today and go make you a bank account. I can't make you do nothing. It's up to you to go get your bank account, to get your LLCs, and do all the stuff that I'm telling you to do. There's no loopholes. You can't get mad when things don't go your way. Now, a lot of people get mad when things don't go their way. Well, you got to figure it out the right way. Point blank, period. So, BHG Financial, $20,000 loans all the way up to $500,000 loans, but it's really $250,000. But some qualified applicants will get approved for $500,000. Make sure you got your business together before you go apply for this loan. I already showed you where you can go get your business together Pay a couple dollars a month. It's like $40 a month, and your business will be qualified within 2 months. I showed you that website already. I might show you again. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all get y'all business together. Make sure y'all get your documents together, because they're giving out this money to people who really got their business together. Not Ashley Smith, who just said, "Oh, I got an LLC. I'm finna go apply for this loan." And don't got no business bank account. Don't got no checking or savings account. Don't got no UEI number. Don't got no Dun and Bradstreet number. Don't got none of that. And then gonna be like, "Oh, I didn't get approved." No. Have your business together, and you'll get approved for $20,000 way faster than your personal credit. I promise you. It's your boy King Hussle. Shout out to everybody that's been tuning in. We're getting back to dropping these videos. Make sure y'all tune in to all my other channels. This one right here, King Hussle 2.0. That's my second blog channel. King Hussle X1M. That's my music channel. I'm dropping all my music and music videos. Y'all know I'm a producer. Y'all know I'm a rapper. Y'all know I drop fire music. I got 3 mixtapes dropping soon. Cryptocurrency, Hustle and Flow, and I don't know the name. That's gonna be my album, produced all by me. So make sure y'all go follow King Hussle X1M and King Hussle 2.0. Make sure y'all go follow my reaction video channel, King Hussle Reaction Videos, fire reaction videos, and make sure y'all go follow my motivational channel, Turn Motivation into Means. I will be having a new channel dropping soon for call it what you want to call it, podcast. And for sports, basketball and all that, because I'm a basketball junkie. I love basketball. I love sports. And I'm starting to get back to my regular self. I got to get back to me being me. I got to keep my mind straight, because I'm finna start going out to these malls, doing these interviews with people, asking questions, doing the Hot Chit Challenge. So I want y'all to be ready. I want y'all to be prepared for that, because we're finna turn it up 2023. We're finna have a lot of fun. We're finna get it in. We're finna make a lot of funds. Make sure y'all come get y'all lessons. Basic lessons is $500. Advanced lessons is $1,000. Unlimited gems is $2,000. And if you want to get your in-person lesson on the crypto tour, in-state $3,500, out-of-state $4,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person, and y'all can get these gems. You're going to learn how to make these M's, and we're going to have fun. I'm still looking for people for my production company. I'm looking for rappers, actors, producers, cameramen, models, content creators. So if you got at least 500 subscribers on YouTube and at least 2,000 watch time hours, tap in with me. I'm going to show you how to get this money. We're going to make money together. We're going to grow together. We're going to build together. If you're a model out there, you tired of taking these pictures, you tired of shaking your behind on camera for free, you tired of being beautiful for free, ain't no man ever put you in a position to win, and you ready to really get out there and make something of yourself, tap in with me. Let's win together. I'm going to show you how to make this money with this entertainment business, with content. You ain't got to be naked, but, so tap in with me. Rappers, actors, producers, cameraman, tap in with me. You good behind that camera, you got some good editing skills, tap in with me. You a good producer, you good with them keys, tap in with me. You a rapper, you investing in yourself, tap in with me. If you ain't investing in yourself, I'm not investing in you either. So keep that in mind. So shout out to everybody, all my supporters, all my King Hussle fans, all my King Hussle supporters. Without y'all, there'll be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping these videos. So y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.